Hey guys, yeah, so I got this jet shaper. Seemed to be in pretty good shape when I bought it. The guy powered it on. Everything seemed all right. Nothing sounded unusual. But again, there was no cutters attached when we had turned it on. And now I'm just trying to go through the process. Just replace the belt down below. Go down here. You can see a little bit. Yeah, the belt seemed to have a little bit of a kink right up here in the old belt. So I thought maybe that's why I was getting some vibration and some loud movement with the machine. I did notice on the 3/4 inch spindle, you can see where a piece of metal right here got wedged in between. This feels like a little groove. Up here, this edge, I believe, is the top of this mating surface here. That I think when this gets tightened down with the lock nut, this has to rotate and spin to actually tighten. I did want to mention one thing. When I insert the 1/2 inch, I didn't know if these are supposed to be to not have this wobble. It's equal in both directions. Same thing with the 3/4 inch. Probably at least a millimeter of play in either direction. Every time I tighten this one down, this is out of round. The run out, I think I was getting 0.02 inches, which was quite a bit. You can see it every time I toggle the machine on and off. I tried to check and make sure the nut was okay. All the threads seem fine. And I don't know if maybe someone hit something against the spindle which caused it to bend. I don't think it could bend that easily, but maybe it damaged this part of the shaft. My next thought was to actually take these to a machine shop and ask them to just chase and clean up the surfaces, because I don't think you should get that wobble, but anyways, yeah. All right, just wanted to show some extra information about this jet shaper and what to do. These parts are discontinued. If I had to, I will redraw it in CAD and have one made. It might be between 100 and 200 bucks, which that's fine. I can get a replacement shaft. Before I do that, I was just taking a look to see if I could salvage. I actually think, if the problem is with the taper, and sorry, I'm kind of rambling at this point, but I think if the problem is with the two tapers and I clean them up at a machine shop, that might fix the problem. So I might try that first. Let's see, is the machine plugged in? Let me make sure that spins freely. Let's see. I thought that sounds like normal operation. Please let me know if you think those bearings in here for the main shaft should get replaced. I didn't think that sounded bad, but when I start putting cutters on here, and the cutters are stacked up on that spindle, this thing just starts vibrating and it sounds terribly dangerous. But all right, thanks everyone. Bye.